I am very, very pleased to hear. It's an amazing event. The conversation and the opening speech was amazing. I took notes. Really, very, very grateful to be here. Thanks so much. So from our side, I will have a small introduction. To be honest, we are not the largest investment in the country. So I'm humbled, and I think I should be very, very humble in this conversation because compared to other and offshore wind investments, we are not the largest, but probably we are a new one. So it will be good to also for you to know what's going on and to establish new partnerships and new friends. As they say, it takes a village to raise a kid. Likewise, it takes a larger village to raise a project. So we have a 40-year commitment to start with. And as Kartik also reminded me, we will add some storage there. So it will be even larger going forward. So in this way, let me introduce our company and what we are doing. On just to talk about a bit about the company. Our heritage business is Turkish origin, Turkish based. We are historically a transport infrastructure company. We have done a lot of industrial plants and also fabricated steel structures. So when we talk about hydrogen, there are a lot of things that we can add value along the way. But overall, the heritage business is high end of transport infrastructure, so mainly rail systems and tunneling, subway. So we are, I think, not global, but at this international player in this field. We are a publicly owned, family-owned majority, but also we have an IPO last year. We have floated some shares at Istanbul stock market, 12% shares. So our valuation is slightly over €1 billion, EBITDA €100 million, those levels. Turkey represents like 20% of the business, 80% outside of Turkey. We are bigger in Poland, also active in Sweden, Romania, Dubai, India, Philippines. So that's the geography basically. So we are trying to be an international company. On the renewables business, from my side, I live in UK, Cambridge for like 6 years. We established the PPP business in UK. That's the headquarters of PPP or renewable business. Our headquarters is in London. Our total team is like 40 people. That's the headquarters of PPP business, basically. And Hanningfield represents our first investment in UK that I will explain. Okay. From our side, we first set in renewable strategy. We start at RTB level because we have the organization to arrange financing, funding, and contracting to become operational. And we take it from there. Initially, we got RTB assets in Poland. We started the small and then larger sizes. In UK, so far, we acquired 2 assets. One is Hanningfield, 48.5 megawatt solar PV. The second one is Corshala in Scotland, storage. On Hanningfield, we will add storage as well. That's the strategy going forward. So that's how we started. As I said, UK is the headquarters of renewable business. Under UK, we have Poland, Germany, other countries. That will be the way how we organize going forward. So that's our organizational structure. In UK, 2 assets so far, more on the way, let's say. Poland, Germany, Romania, they are all under UK. So that's how we are organized. After UK, we acquired in 3 projects pre-RTB basis, Germany, 234 megawatts, and we are gonna manage that also from UK. Okay, short description on our first project in UK, Henningfield. That's solar PV. For us, it is very important to be here because, as you can imagine, as our first project, we want to be part of local community. We want to be embedded in the county, and we don't have much contacts around. Our story in UK started with the inward investment. Our colleagues were very helpful, and also today we got a good reception from Mr. Kartik and his team, also Ms. McKinley. So very, very grateful. As said, it's a long process, 40 years of commitment. We cannot manage it ourselves, right? The whole stakeholders, the whole community should manage it. Overall, as compared to others, it is a humble size, 48.5 megawatt. Solar PV we acquired last year, fully permitted, consented. We are at the moment of organizing financing, construction, installation, and grid connection. So very, very busy with this project. The total size is close to 40 million pounds. We are in AR7 process. I think we will have CFD hopefully for this project. And we will take it from there. Of course, as I said, we have a lot of companies working in our project, not only ourselves. We have British-based banks, owners, engineers, EPC contractor, O&M contractor, and what have you. We have selected some of the partners already, but in a 40-year project, as you see, we will have a lot of local talent, local contractors, subcontractors to play with. So if anyone feels that we can work together along the way, please let's talk, and really grateful to the council as well. My colleague Fabio Spinato is also with me. You can speak with me also with Fabio as well. So that's how we are organized as well. With regard to Ms. McKinley mentioned about the local community and important ambitious targets such as AI data centers and energy and sustainability growth. From our side, that's why we are here basically in renewable energy. The name of the game is very simple. To do investment, you need grid connection and consenting. So that's how you start with. If you are able to get grid connection, and if you are able to get consenting, then you do the investment. That's the basic. That's the basic stuff. But under this basic parameters, you have the whole setup, whole little touch by council, by other players, by grid operator, in this case UKPN. So they need to do investment as well for this operation. So they need to do design, investment, capex that we are paying. So you need a lot of parties from council to UKPN grid operator to work essential. That's how you start the business. And as I said, it is 40 years of commitment from our side that we need to cater. And finally, our contacts, also Fabio here, going forward. We would love to be part of the community, part of this picture. Really grateful to the council for this event. We take it from there and see how it goes. Thanks so much.